I'm sitting in a 2014 Nissan Altima. We have no prox keys. You can use this prox key to program the vehicle. Our OBD2 port is right above the brake pedal there. Turn on your hazards. For the Nissan Altima 14. Smart number 1. Program key. Hazards are on. As soon as that status bar went across and you heard that beep, the vehicle is in learning mode. We are done with this. Put it aside. All you have to do is touch the start button, hold the fob up to it. You can see the light flashing. Turn it off. Press it again, hold it up. Turn it off. Key registration complete. We turn the hazards off. And we're done.